Hi, this is Weston. We are continuing our feature review series of SITREP, a collaborative mapping platform. Today we are reviewing the feature of how to add object to a map in a map and how to add data to each of those individual objects. So the last feature that we reviewed was how to create a team. In that I created my team Bravo. You can see that down at the bottom of my page. So I'm going to enter that Bravo team. This is a shared mapping environment. First thing that I'm going to do is just make sure that I tap on my GPS button. That is the triangle at the top right hand corner of the screen, and that'll populate exactly where I'm at, my location. From there, there's a couple of ways to enter data. The first is that you can just press mark and it pulls up crosshairs, and you can move the crosshairs around and select the location where you want to input data. Or another way to enter an object onto the map is just to do a long press in the location that you want the data to appear. So I long press there and it brings up the object building menu. So the first thing that I do there is I press on type, and that enables our rapid symbol builder. This is already pre-populated with DoD symbology or the opportunity to create your own custom symbol at the top. So I'll just press on the first one, personnel, and an individual. And you can see that it defaults to unknown, but you can change that to neutral. It changes it to green, or hostile is red, or friendly. So I'll make it a friendly individual. You can see that there's other ways to describe the data that you're putting in, whether it's suspected, reported, injured, dead, etc. And the symbology changes as you do that. So I'll just keep it observed and fully capable and press done. And now you can see that that object is on my map as I scroll down. It's also on the maps of every individual who is subscribed to Team Bravo. So that appears on their maps in real time. So we've just created an object in the map. It's just that simple to put something on the map. But there's a lot more opportunity to add data to the map. Down below are the icons for the different things that we can add to the map. The first is a photo. So just by clicking on that, we can choose whether to take a photo from the camera or to choose from the photo library. I'll choose photo library. It brings up the library, and I can select a picture. And that automatically populates down below as an attachment to this object. Not only does it populate on my map, but it populates on the maps of all those with whom I share the data. Additionally, there is a reporting feature. There's an integrated salute report where you can detail any known information about the object. It also adds, when you press done, as an attachment to that particular object. Moving over is the sketch feature. You can either do whiteboard sketches as shown here, or you can click on the map icon to the lower left hand corner and you can do a sketch over the map. I'll just show you really quickly what that looks like using a couple of different colors. And obviously a great way to identify and share data real time via the sketch function. And that just populates again in the attachment bar. And lastly is the audio recording. As soon as you press this, it starts to record your voice. It doesn't stop until you press stop. As you press stop and done, it then saves. You might need to scroll over just so you can see that there's the audio recording. And then that information is available for all subscribed to the team. Additionally, if you wanted to go in and just make adjustments to where you had placed your object, you could click on the coordinates at the top left-hand corner of the dialog. That brings up crosshairs to just move the location slightly if you didn't get it right the first time. And you can also adjust the speed and direction that the object is traveling. So that's it. That is creating an object and adding data to a particular object to share with a team.